Welcome to 1211 Red Jade Court, nestled in the heart of Henderson, Nevada. This incredible two-story home is listed at $595,000, offering the perfect blend of luxury, space, and comfort. With 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and over 3,000 square feet of living area, this property is truly a gem. As you approach the home, you'll notice the expansive 6,098 square foot lot, providing ample space for outdoor enjoyment. The well-manicured front lawn and inviting front porch to set the tone for what's inside. And for car enthusiasts, you'll love the 3-car garage with plenty of room for vehicles, storage, or even a workshop. Built in 1997, this home has been beautifully maintained and thoughtfully updated. The moment you step inside, you'll be greeted by upgraded flooring and a seamless, open-concept design that flows effortlessly from room to room. Whether you're hosting family and friends or simply enjoying a quiet evening at home, this layout is perfect for both entertaining and everyday living. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring elegant white cabinets, gleaming granite countertops, and a large central island that provides plenty of space for meal preparation. The matching backsplash ties everything together, giving the kitchen a modern and polished feel. Whether you're preparing a casual breakfast or a gourmet dinner, this kitchen has everything you need. And with ample storage, including cabinetry and a pantry, you'll have plenty of room for all your cooking essentials. Just off the kitchen is the cozy living room, complete with a fireplace that adds warmth and charm to the space. Imagine curling up with a good book or enjoying a movie night by the fire. Large windows allow natural light to flood the room, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. One of the key features of this home is the private guest bedroom located on the first floor. With an attached 3/4 bath, it's the perfect space for hosting visitors, providing them with privacy and comfort. Whether it's for family, friends, or even a home office, this room is a versatile addition to the layout. Heading upstairs, you'll find the expansive loft. This space offers endless possibilities. It could be a second living area, a home gym, a game room, or even a study. The flexibility here allows you to truly make this home your own, adapting to your lifestyle and needs. At the end of the day, retreat to the luxurious primary suite, which is a true haven of relaxation. As you enter through the double doors, you'll be greeted by a generous bedroom that offers plenty of space for a king-sized bed, a seating area, or additional furniture. The ensuite bathroom is designed with comfort in mind, featuring updated flooring, a separate tub and shower, and dual vanities. This private space allows you to unwind and refresh in style. The remaining 2 bedrooms are also located upstairs, offering plenty of space for family members or guests. With ample closet space and natural light, each room is designed for comfort and convenience. And with 2 full bathrooms, there's no shortage of facilities for everyone in the household. Step outside into your backyard oasis. The covered patio is perfect for outdoor dining, barbecues, or simply enjoying the fresh air. And with a pool-sized backyard, you have the opportunity to create the ultimate outdoor living space. Whether you're dreaming of a garden, a play area, or even installing a pool, the possibilities here are endless. In addition to the home's incredible features, the community itself offers even more. With access to parks and walking trails, it's easy to stay active and enjoy the outdoors. The HOA fee is only $20 a month, giving you all these amenities without the high cost. And let's not forget the location. 1211 Red Jade Court is just minutes away from the Galleria Mall, popular restaurants, shopping centers, and more. Whether you're looking for a night out or running everyday errands, everything you need is right at your doorstep. Finally, this home is being sold by a motivated seller, making it a fantastic opportunity for you to move in and make it your own. With all these incredible features, 1211 Red Jade Court is ready to welcome your home. So don't wait. Schedule your private showing today and experience all that this beautiful property has to offer. Visit us at LUX Nets your trusted source for luxury real estate.